I just want to know where you're from. We're online, so it's kind of difficult to get to know you. But if you share, if you do things online, if you participate, that helps me, especially because this is a writing class. You get to share all in your writing as well. So get better at writing. You're going to do that more in my class. You have to do the assignments. Okay, the next part is the student survey. It's Google Forms. I want you to click on this link. We're going to fill out the survey. I'm just going to show you how to fill it out real quickly. I'll make another video. I'll share a video on YouTube that you can watch that can help explain all of this. So click on this link. We're going to open up the student form for Delta Noon 13 student survey. Okay, make sure you have your email account. Right now it's on my email that I use for teaching, bobwin.elf. ELF stands for English Language Fellow. That's the program I'm on. And I've already gone through and filled this out a little bit. But yeah, write your name. If you have another name, like a nickname you use, write that in there. Write your personal email address again. I just need a copy of that in the form. And that should be a Gmail account, hopefully. It helps you to sign into all of the different apps that we'll be using in the class. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to learn about English, but you're also going to learn a lot about just getting used to, comfortable with new technologies, new online things. Write how old you are. One of the questions I never answer for students is how old I am. When is your birthday? Whenever your birthday is. This is not my birthday. Don't worry. It's not today, guys. Write your department where you're studying. So English language teaching. We don't have one there. Where are you currently living? Are you renting an apartment? If so, where? If you're in Izmir or outside of Izmir, if it's in Izmir still, just write Izmir here so I know. Where is your hometown? So where are you originally from? I'm from Anaheim, California, in the USA. How many people are there in your family? Do you have any brothers and sisters or sisters? How old are they? So you can give me an age. I can't tell you my brother or sister's age. They'll get angry at me. Is your current living situation suitable for studying? Is it a place that you feel comfortable studying? Yes, no, or maybe. You can click other and tell me what's up. Do you have adequate internet to study online? If so, click yes, no, or maybe. Yeah, this is very important for online education, apparently, supposedly, ultimately. Self-rate your level in reading, so 1 lowest and then 6, near fluent. For reading, for writing, for listening, for speaking. Put all of those there just so I understand, where your level is. Maybe you're a really good writer, reader, but you don't get to speak often. Maybe you listen well because you watch YouTube videos in English and Netflix shows. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah. And then tell me how best you learn English. Look through all these. If you don't understand anything, try to use the Google Translate. I don't know. There you go. Were you able to successfully learn online in the past? Tell me yes, somewhat. No, or I've never studied online before. Maybe this is your first time. I had one student say that in the other class. And then this is the long question, but what are some success or challenges that you have with online education? Write a short paragraph. Okay, so tell me about your experiences. Tell me about your experiences with teachers teaching online as well. I'd like to know. Which of the following technologies do you have access to? Choose any of those. Android, iPhones, desktop, your own versus one that you share with others, maybe people in your family. Do you have enough data on your smartphone? And do you have access to broadband internet services, DSL, cable, fiber, Wi-Fi? Any of those. Do you feel confident that you can successfully learn online as an incoming student? Give me your opinion. Yes, no, or maybe. What kind of support and resources do you feel you need from me or from anybody? Write them here. I'll try to help you as much as I can. I love making videos to help explain to students how to do assignments. So, something that you can rewatch so you can learn better instead of just trying to listen to me online on a class. I always think it's important to be able to see all these things. I'll make a video of the entire class again. I'll share it on YouTube. And you should join the Google Classroom as well. I'll make a whole video about everything from this class. How were you personally affected by the earthquake? Yeah. Condolences to anybody who lost any friends, family members, house, or know anybody who has. It's been a really difficult few weeks, over 3 weeks now. So, and that's still affecting people who are currently living there. I have other students in other classes that are also living in the earthquake zone. The two last questions. First one is, your teacher will be using video recordings, screenshots, and your assignments sometimes without your name. I'll try to remove all the names for academic purposes, as well as on social media. It's part of my job as the English language fellow to promote what I'm doing in Turkey. If you're okay with that, I won't be using your images because nobody turns on their cameras anyways. So yes, no, maybe. And then any additional comments? What did you feel about today's class? Was it too much? Are you not ready? Let me know. Whatever I can do to help make this process easier for you, I will do. But yeah, today is mainly just introductions and orientations. We'll be looking at the textbook right next at 3 o'clock. Okay, when you're finished and you're okay with all the answers and you checked everything, go ahead, press the submit button, and then I'll get all of those. And I want everybody, all 30 of you, to fill this out. This is your first homework assignment, really. Your second homework assignment is to sign up for Google Classroom and then do any of these Padlets and Mentimeters. I'm going to try to record my presentation, my self-introduction, and I'll explain, actually, since nobody asked me any questions about what I was doing in all of these places. So I'll make that for you guys. And I don't know what the real situation is. If you come to class, you're here. Also, if you can't make it to class, I understand. Everybody's in a different situation, especially with internet access or computer access, or even just housing at the moment. So if you watch the videos, I might ask you to just do some of those assignments that we're doing. And if you do those, I will give you credit for the class 1, 2, and 3 every day or every week. But you got to watch each of those videos and then watch it enough that you can do those assignments again. So yeah, click submit.